Away from that, Justice Emeka Nwite of the Federal High Court, Abuja, has declared Julius Abure as the chairman of the Labour Party. While delivering the judgment, Justice Nwite affirmed the Abure-led leadership and the March 2024 Newi Convention that produced the national leadership. Justice Nwite ordered INEC to recognize Mr. Abure as a legitimate chairman, overriding the Commission's earlier stance that Mr. Abure's leadership was invalid. The electoral body had said Julius Abure is no longer the national chairman of the Labour Party, citing that his tenure ended in June 2024. For more updates, the factional spokesman of the Labour Party, Abayomi Arabambi, joins me on the news. Mr. Arabambi, what is the import of this judgment for you and the Labour Party?
Thank you very much. We have to give a victory of this judgment as victory, for the rule of law, democracy, and it is a victory against, usurpers. People are called men to stop the no power, and people that are also trying to twist our constitution in the head. I have been on this program so many times, and I said that convention conform with the Electoral Act. Now, our constitution is very clear. Any law that contradicts or that contravenes the constitution of Nigeria, the law is that such law shall be set aside to the extent of its consistency. Now, Electoral Act did not conflict with the constitution of Nigeria, because Section 82 of the Electoral Act, which I am reading here, specifically states that every registered political party, because I need to tell Nigeria what was the reason Justice Nwite make that judgment in favor of Labour Party.
Well, let's get to that quickly.
INEC has canvassed the fact that the convention did not comply with Electoral Act. But what the Electoral Act says is that party need to give only 21-day notice to INEC. That's 82.1. 82.5 said failure of political party to notify the commission as stated in subsection 1 of the 82 shall render the convention, congress or conferences meeting invalid. Justice Emeka Nwite now said, inasmuch as the party has given you 21-day notice and you fail to honor it, or you fail, to go and monitor it, it is not the business of the Labour Party, it is your business, because Section 5 would have been applicable and didn't mean they were not informed.
All right.
So,
I hear you.
That was what happened in the court today.
Okay, Mr. Arabambi, I hear you. But then what is the way forward for the Labour Party? Because as it stands now, the presidential candidate of your party in the last election, Peter Obi, and a number of other people gathered in Umuahia to actually set up, a committee chaired by Nat'l Usman. What's the way forward? Well,
as far as we are concerned, that committee was just an arm of their, the Peter Obi stroke, the governor of Abia State, the Nollywood theater group that converge. There is nothing like stakeholder in Labour Party constitution. And the court was very emphatic today that we comply with the section of the provision of Electoral Act. So it is dead on arrival, and our advice is very simple for them. They need to come into the party to do restitution, so that at least we will not be able to feel that, they knew what they did was wrong. You cannot just come and turn the constitution upside down simply because you have executive power. It is not done. So Mr. Peter Obi, who considers himself as national chairman, and Mr. Alesoti, who considers himself as the national secretary, to go and convene in legal meeting, that have been made to rest by the court today, because it was the INEC they claim gave them that audacity to go and convene a stakeholder. But the court told INEC today, you lack the power. Once you have made a pronouncement, you lack the power to reverse it, except the court.
All right, Mr. Abambi, but then I'm not sure I ever heard either of them declare that they were chairman or secretary to have convened that stakeholders meeting. Factional spokesman of the Labour Party, Abayomi Arabambi, thank you for talking to us on TVC News at 10.
Thank you very much.